The name you know, the brand you trust. From creating Navi Mumbai's first corporate hub to now creating its integrated community hub, K Raheja Corp by the founder Chandru Raheja is coming with the limitless living in Juinagar, K Raheja Jade City. Talking about the location now, this project is located in the main city and is connected to all the upcoming infrastructures of Navi Mumbai. The nearest road is Thane Belapur Highway Road, that is just right from the entrance. Apart from that, upcoming infrastructure like Kharghar Turbhe Tunnel is starting from the entrance of the residence. Upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport is just 15 minutes away. Renowned schools, colleges, hospitals are all near the residence. Schools and colleges like D.Y. Patil College and Hospital, SIS College, Apollo Hospital, all of these are just a stone's throw away from the residence. K Raheja Corp has a success story of accomplishing some notable projects all over India. You can see their presence across the business verticals ranging from commercial to residential, from malls to retails and hospitality. Now let's talk about the project. The whole project is spread across 55 acres of land and 13 acres is divided for residential. As you can see, there are IT parks and has big companies like KPMG, Fino and ICICI Bank. The towers are in total 11 and divided into two phases, Phase 1 and Phase 2. Phase 1 consists of 5 towers and Phase 2 of 6 towers. T2 and T11 towers are already launched, as you can see. T2 has 1 and 2 BHK and T11 has 2 and 3 premium BHKs with a clubhouse of around 26,000 square feet and lavish amenities like tennis court, badminton court, gym, half Olympic sized swimming pool, kids play area, jogging track and banquet hall. We have 1, 2 and 3 BHK available. So now I'll show you the sample flat. And now let's move towards the sample flat. This is your 2 BHK with carpet area 707 square feet. This is your spacious living room. So as you can see how well decorated this living room is, you can actually take an inspiration for your living room, and you can see this is L-shaped sofa. So how spacious this living room is, where you can actually decorate it like this. With that, we have the balcony in front, and here also we have 2-seater for you to enjoy and sit your evening coffee. Let's go towards our dining space. So this is a 4-seater dining, so you can actually think that you can utilize 4 people sitting here. Let's move towards our kitchen now. So this is a double platform kitchen. It is very well utilized and very spacious. It's a big kitchen. Let's move towards our other room now. So the floor to ceiling height is 10 feet for this apartment. Let's move towards our first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. K Raheja Corp being so mindful that they have actually given you a space apart from your bedroom space for your utility and wardrobe. And with that, you have a L-shaped window that gives you a panoramic view to enjoy the evergreen wide angle from your bedroom. So this was our first bedroom. Let's move towards the common washroom. It is right in front of your first bedroom. You get the Jaguar fittings. So let's enter into the master bedroom now. This is a very spacious master bedroom. You actually get vertical full-sized windows, and you can see it is very spacious. You can actually use it for your study table also with your bed. As you can see, still there is a lot of space and it is well utilized with attached washroom with Jaguar fittings and petrified tiles. And again, we get the inside space for your wardrobe. You can see how utilized it is and how well placed it is. You can't even figure out that you had a wardrobe right here, so you can take ideas for your house. This is our 2 BHK. The pricing for 1 BHK is starting from 1.10 crores plus taxes. The pricing for 2 BHK is starting from 1.65 crores plus taxes. For booking purposes, contact us today on the given details below.